Up for sale, we have this 2009 concept Ascot. This van sits at 20 foot long, 8 metres overall, sleeps 3, full ensuite, diesel heater and the likes. So we'll start up the front, standard 50mm hitch, now brake safe, got a 7-pin trailer plug and Anderson plug, 10 gas bottle holders, diesel heater tank, a little firewood rack in the back there. Big front boot. We've got a C-Tech battery charger, 120 amp hour battery. We've got a tear of 1950 and an ATM of 2350. Around, we've got our Truma gas and electric hot water system. Underneath the van, a couple 90 litre water tanks. Got brand new Dunlop tyres on it, on alloy rims. Coming round the back, got LED tail lights, spare wheel. This van will come with 12 months Victorian rego. Big roll-out awning, a picnic table, our toilet cassette there. We'll go for a quick walk inside. Dometic 3-way fridge freezer, microwave, 3-burner gas stove and grill with 1 electric hot plate and a range hood. Our water pump switch, stereo and TV, queen size island bed, plenty of storage. Under the bed we've got a Webasto diesel heater, very efficient, gets the van nice and toasty real quick. L-shaped dining with a telescopic table leg, so you can drop that down, turn it into another bed for the kids. Up the back, got our ensuite, toilet, sink, and full-size shower, so plenty of room. Ice cold air conditioning and heating. As you can see, this van presents really nice overall. Heaps of storage. It's been well looked after. For more information or to book an inspection, please contact me on 0498 541 795. We're located in Langwarrin South. Cheers.